How to turn off private session in Spotify application. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to turn off the private session on Spotify so that your listening activity is visible again. So let's just get started with the process. Open up the Spotify application on your phone and then make sure you are logged in. Now from this section right here from your home screen, we can access our settings. For that, look out for your profile in the top left, tap on it, and basically access the settings and privacy from this menu and open up your settings. Now we can scroll down to the social section from here. Go ahead and directly look out for privacy and social and tap on it, or find private session or listening activity, something like that. And from this section, if you want to turn off private session under listening activity, we can directly find a toggle option for it, which is private session with a toggle option, which will temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. So you just need to tap on it and it will turn off. Once disabled, your friends can see that you're recently played songs and the listening activity once again. You can just go over and look out for it. Apart from that, we have listening activity, recently played artists, etc. You can basically tap on it in order to turn it on or turn it off. Just head over and follow out the steps and you should be able to do it very easily. And that's it, everybody. That's how we turn off private session on Spotify. So if this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.